Hello there, YouTubers. Greg Stevens here. We're going to do another exciting video today with Cashier Greens. Marcelina Noss is here by my side, and today we're going to show you guys,
hi guys,
how to make a self-irrigating planter or pot. And this is a deep watering system. This is another way that you're going to be able to plant larger plants, put them on your deck, put them outside in your yard, whatever, basically almost free as far as watering and everything goes. Cost on this is very, very cheap. The most expensive thing you're going to be buying today is a pot. You can use any kind of pot that you want as long as it doesn't have any holes on the bottom. We don't want drainage holes on the bottom. The stronger it is, the better. All right, so with that in mind, let's go ahead and get started. One of the first things we want to do is get some of this drainage tubing. This is very expensive. You can buy like a 10 or 12 foot of this thing for like, I think it's like $5 per tube, not sure. But what we want to do is we want to cut this in to the length to cover the bottom. So right about here is where the bottom's going to be. This cuts real easy. Only thing I need is just a good sharp knife like that, and stick this in here with your combat ready knife with you all the time. You never know when you're going to need one. You can cut this, make sure it fits inside your tube. Bada bing, perfect. All right, now the next thing we want to do is we want to take some professional grade weed guard. Don't buy the cheap stuff up at Mark's or Lowe's or any of them places. Lowe's you have, but you want to buy the professional grade. And you want to cut this big enough so that when you wrap it over the end, you want to cover this up, the end of your tubes, because we do not want soil to get inside the tube. We want water, but not soil. So what this is going to do, guys, is when we put this down in the bottom of our pot, the water is going to stay in the tubes, and it's going to wick up to the surface closer to the root system of your plant. And this is just another way, like I told you, we want to automate our gardening system as much as we can. This one needs to be cut down a little bit. This one's a little bit too big, so we're going to cut that one down. And when it's all done, it's going to look like this. You can see a piece of tube. I got weed guard covering the ends. I took some zip ties, doubled them up, and put them over the end to lock it in place. And then it just drops in there like that. All right. Hold that, babe. Okay, go ahead and hold. All right, we're going to take two of these because one of them isn't big enough to go around the circumference of the tube. Okay. We're going to take one piece of the weed guard, wrap it over the top.
need help?
Yeah, we're good. I think I can do this. Stuck in there. Let's get it started. And situate it exactly where you want it. Put it in place. Get it nice and tight. You don't want that to come off. Then we're going to take the scissors, just trim it up a little bit, cut the ends off. Just like that. Don't worry about the exit on the end, it doesn't matter. Okay. Get two more of these. Tie these together. Make sure they're facing the right direction so they lock. And get our weed guard, put it over the end of the irrigation tube. Wrap it around it like that.
So what's the purpose of the covering?
Covering is to keep the soil from getting inside the tube. We only want water in there. Okay. And this weed guard will let the water pass through, but without the soil getting in there and clogging the thing up. We want to keep only water in here.
So for those of you who forget watering your plants, so this is the coolest project you can have and create, because you don't have to water all the time. Look at that, it's just like a sandwich.
Yeah.
Okay, so what will we do next? So do you have to wrap the PVC?
Yeah, we don't want dirt in this either. So you could do this with a glue gun to make it more professional.
Yeah, that's what
right?
what I did.
Yeah,
I
glue
do
gun is the
glue
best
gun.
way of doing this. But okay, go ahead and videotape. All right, this is going to be our snorkel tube that we're going to put down inside the pot like this. We're going to fill the bottom through the tube, and then we're going to have a drainage hole on the side so the water level will never go over a certain height, which will be about 5 inches from the bottom.
Are you using glue down there?
No, no glue at all. No glue at all. What we're going to do is we're going to wrap this with the weed guard also. We're going to kind of like wrap it, make it like a little taco. And we're just going to wrap it around here nice and neat. And this is so the dirt does not get in, but the water can pass out. And then we'll put the dirt all the way around this. I'll use some of the shorter ones because we don't need the long ones on this one.
I will hold it for you.
That'd be great. One.
So here at Cashew Greens, we constantly building project to project.
Trying new things that work.
Yeah,
things
and
that
share
don't
with
work.
you guys. So if you are new here, subscribe to our channel, join the family, and
Went too far.
and also don't forget to open your notifications so when we upload videos,
What you can
you're
do, guys,
notified.
when you see us make something or somebody else make something, study it, how it works, see if you can do it better, and then share it. So I took this idea off another guy, and this will work just fine. I'm going to put one more on here to keep it nice and neat at the top, and then trim off anything that needs trimming.
So did you already drill hole in there?
Nope, no holes yet. Okay, we're going to pull it in like that. And I'm just going to take the scissors and cut this extra off, make it look a little better.
We love building project, guys. So majority of our garden here is, are automated. We have the rain tower, we have the wheaty grow.
We're going to show you guys, when we get everything up and running this spring, we're going to take you on a tour here
So
on our channel and show you all the different things
So
that
this
we
is
have
an
going.
advanced gardening channel, and we do things different here
And there you
and
go.
share with you guys.
This is all sealed.
you
The water,
can
dirt
use
can't get up
this,
inside the tube. This will go, the soil will go around there like that, and we're going to go ahead and fill it up now. Ready to fill it up.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to put 2 drainage holes on here. We want both holes to be on exactly the same height. So we're going to put it right in the middle of this brown band right here.
So that's for the drainage.
Yep,
So how many holes are you
just
doing?
2. The only thing is just 2 holes. There's 1. There's 2. That's it. Simple as that. All right, we're going to put this down on the ground now. And Marcelina Hatun, I need you to hold that tube right there.
Marcelina Hatun.
That's right.
So it is nice to do project together, huh?
Yep.
That's
You
what
can mix chicken manure, any kind of fertilizers and stuff you want in here.
my dad, if he sees this, he would love it. It's a cool project, especially if your water is limited,
Yeah.
and then
This is a
in
great,
California,
great
this is
water
really,
saver where you
yeah,
Can't
in
have a lot
California the water is expensive, so this is the best way to garden.
I'm gonna pack this down because this microgreens has a lot of air in it. You can let go of that now.
Oh,
And
I
we're
so
gonna put a little bit more in there.
I thought you had to glue in the bottom.
Yeah.
No. So he's going to pour this.
I'm gonna fill this up
Soil
as
it.
much as we can.
Oh, you are wasting this soil. You're too fine, fine. That's a good thing for this. That's why it is great for growing seeds, because it has this fine texture.
Now we can
Easy to
cut this.
germinate.
We can cut this tube down. It doesn't have to be that tall. We can cut this tube down right about here.
No, if you plant tomato, you can tie it in there. Yeah, just leave the way it
You
is.
can do that.
Yeah.
All right, now before you fill it up with water, put it where you want it first so it's not so heavy.
Okay,
Now we'll fill it
so
up
we
with a hose.
place this pot here, and we're going to water the pot.
Why does it shoot this so hard in the middle?
It's a new hose, but so this is good for bill paper, you know, the bigger bill paper,
This is good for strawberries,
strawberries,
peppers.
tomatoes.
Tomatoes would love this, yeah.
Does it drain?
I'm looking for the drain hole. Nothing's draining yet. Oh, here's the drain hole right here.
It drains, huh? Okay. So if you have a lot of this, how much is this bucket?
$14.
$14.
$14. The weed guard was $12 for the good stuff. The PVC a couple bucks.
You can line this one in your backyard, and it's a nice pot.
Yeah. Isn't it?
You get this from Home Depot?
Yep. No, Lowe's.
Lowe's. Wow, this is an easy garden,
You
guys.
see how long it took us? What, 15 minutes to put this thing together?
Yeah.
You spend more time looking for the parts.
So we just we don't grow for now because it's still colder,
Yeah.
and we will wait
Now
until
once-
the weather is
Once a week,
warming
just
up.
go in here, take your hose, stick it in here until you see the water coming out the drainage hole, and you're done for at least 1 or 2 weeks, depending on your area's temperature.
You can take 2 weeks vacation without worrying your
Yeah.
plants dying for you. So that is a great thing. So if you live in California, this is the best way to garden.
Yeah, especially when you have watering.
Yeah, well,
So-
California,
Okay, it's
water
starting
is
to-
expensive.
It's starting to come out the drainage hole now.
Okay, so
We're good.
that's it.
That's it.
All right, so that
Plant
is
seed.
the
Ready to go.
yeah. You can grow seeds, but I will plant the bell pepper here. It's close to the kitchen.
All right, guys, what'd you think about that planter? Easy breezy, right, as Mama says? But I want to show you guys one other thing here. This is a small, self-wicking planter. It has an insert that goes inside. You fill this up with water. This holds your soil or your media, and as you see, it has a wick inside of there.
That's so cute.
This is a commercial grade wicking, man. They sell these it up at Lowe's or someplace, and they sell their plants in there. And this little wick here goes down in the water, wicks up in here, comes up to the top, and keeps the plant nice and wet. And you water it by just pouring water in this little hole right there. You see a little hole? And I'm trying to find out where you can buy these things at, because these are awesome. If you guys find out or know who sells these things, write it down in the comments down below.
I think you can do this one. You can create your own. What
I know. Well, this is what we're trying to do. We're
Something like-
imitating this.
something like the put heating on it, the heat, the plastic, so it forms like this. Don't look at me like that, like just look.
All right. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Thank you for watching.
Don't
guys.
forget to subscribe, guys. Your subscriptions, your comments, and your likes help us get placed on the algorithms higher on YouTube, so more people will see our videos. Share it if you like. If you like this, share some comments, and we'll see you on the next video.
Next gardening project.
Right. Grow
So-
big, grow green.
Gosh, green. Grow green, grow big.
Peace out. See you guys.